Hey guys, this is Special Forces Airsoft 204. I'm gonna show you my stuff I got from e-bike. I'm in Brazil. I'm staying here like for 2 more months now. I wanna buy stuff at e-bike. I wanna get like some patches, vests, guns, ammo, a lot of stuff. It's the first time playing Airsoft. Cause I went to my cousin's friend's birthday party at Godfather Airsoft and Tactical. I liked it, pretty cool. It's a fun game. I'm gonna show you the stuff I got. I told my dad to buy it for me. Some patches. He bought it. This is a Ranger patch. It's my dad. I'm gonna use it because I'm gonna use a ACU patches. I like ACU better because it's the best. Ranger, good stuff. Special Force. I'm gonna use it. You see it's not Velcro. A lot of this patch I'm gonna show you, it's Velcro. Okay? Forces. Special Forces mess with the best, I like the rest. My dad's I like Special Forces because they're cool. Yeah, they're cool. This is my Special Forces. Mess with the best, I like the rest. I'm gonna use like right here. Because I'm gonna put my American flag here. I'm gonna put this on the other side. And then Special Forces vest, I'm gonna put it like right here. Pretty cool. And this one, look, cause it's big as hell. I'm like, oh my god, right here. Yeah. This is my goggles, anti-fog. Cool. See? Pretty cool. Protects a lot. Right. Now my cap. Cap. See? Guess. Get a little bit, makes the best I like the rest. It's good for basic B, lights out. We're good at it. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. This is my first video I thought to put on. Thanks. Bye.